Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This one is for the Triumph Trident 660 owners, or those of you that are looking at seat covers. I have recently been searching endlessly on Instagram, talking to people through their messages on anyone that I see with a different color seat for my bike. I'm trying to create a neo-retro, old versus new, vintage, new looking combo Frankenstein bike, if you will. And I just want a custom seat, and everyone that I message on there is telling me that they went to an upholstery shop in their local town and they had a custom seat done. And that was a viable option for me, but I kind of wanted something that was a commercial product that was already fitted to my bike. And then I came across a gentleman that posted in the Triumph Trident Facebook group that he found a company out in India called Sahara Seats, and they do make custom seat covers. From what it looks like, it's the seat cover. It doesn't replace the upholstery that's already on there, so it should be a pretty simple install. I mean, we're gonna find out in today's video here, so stay tuned. But as soon as he posted the link, I clicked on it, I went to their website, and I ordered one. It was about $75. You can get, for another $15, a gel insert pad on there if you would like as well. And there's a handful of colors. There's a black, a brown, a dual tone brown, and a dual tone maroon, I believe. And then you can choose the thread color. The only downside was there wasn't really pictures of the colors of the material. It just had some examples of this is what it might look like. So I'm not entirely sure what I got in this package. I ordered the dual tone brown, and I ordered brown stitching. So we're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what the colors actually look like. We're gonna do the installation process, fit the seat, and see what that process is like. And then I'll go for a ride, let you know how it feels, and if it's gonna actually stay on or not, or if it's gonna be something that's usable. And then of course, I'll show you what it looks like. So that's today's video. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I do carry things with the strap on the other seat, so I'm glad that it has this piece right here. And then I believe this is a rain cover. So it says that the leather is not waterproof. So if I was gonna park outside and there's a chance of rain, that I should put this cover over it. I noticed that they sold this on the website, but they actually provided it with the seat. So that's kind of nice. Now I just kind of want to see what it's gonna look like. I wanted to make sure that the brown wasn't too light of a color. But I like that it's a dark brown. Ooh, that looks good. That's gonna be pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and take this seat cover off and get it installed. Okay, now that we have the seat off, I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this handle here with these two bolts. And that was a T30 torque screw for those of you that were curious. Okay, so I have my plan of attack. It looks like these two pieces here in the front, I'm able to scoop in, and then I'll stretch it tight from there. So I'm actually gonna start from the front and put these two pieces in here. Okay, I got those pieces in. I'm gonna just loosely put it on here. Check this out. It's a little bit wrinkly. So I'm gonna hit this with the heat gun and then stretch it nice and tight. I don't want any wrinkles in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and heat up the leather with my heat gun here so it stretches out. I got the leather nice and stretched. Let's go ahead and pull this one tight. Two strings here that we can make this even tighter here as well. I'm just kind of massaging the leather a little bit. You probably could skip the heat gun step and just keep it out in the sun and this leather will loosen up, but just want it to look nice for you guys. And man, it is looking nice. It's coming along here. What do you guys think? Nice little Sahara Seat embroidered there. It's looking pretty good. The wrinkles came out and it's looking really nice. Right here seems a little bit tight. I feel like it could pull over, so I'm gonna pull it nice and taut and then actually hit one staple with the staple gun on each side, right here and right here. Just at this widest point. I don't want it to create a wrinkle later, so I'm gonna pull it tight. Just one staple here, one staple here. I don't think it's really necessary, but just to be safe so that it stays looking as pristine as it looks right now, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. There we go. I just put two staples, one here, one here, one here, one here. And man, yeah, that is looking nice, you guys. Not bad, not bad. Let's go ahead and throw it on the bike. And actually, before we put the seat all the way on, we got to put the strap on there as well. So there's a little indentation here. You can see where that's supposed to line up. Make sure that's in the right spot on both sides. This looks like it's just at the spot where your seat clicks in. And I know this seat is normally difficult to click in, so I think with the seat cover, it's going to make it even more difficult. I'm going to put just a little bit of tape to hold this strap down so it's not in the way. There we go. For some reason, I just cannot get it to fit with that strap on. So we'll leave the strap off for now. List a comment below if anyone knows the trick to making this seat attach a little bit easier. There's just enough room without the strap that it fits, but for some reason I couldn't get it to fit with the strap. I would like to use that strap, so comment below if anyone found a trick yet for this. All right, that's what it looks like with the dual tan brown Sahara seat and no strap. Well, let's go ahead and actually jump in the saddle and go for a ride. I want to test this seat and feel what it feels like on an actual ride. All right, well, I tested at different speeds. I went on some straightaways, I did some twisties. I made sure I was shifting in the seat. I really wanted to test it out and see what it felt like. It never felt like I was sliding around or lost grip in my seat. It's also a really hot day. I was trying to test if it was gonna get too hot, but the leather stayed just about the same temperature as factory would. In fact, it pretty much feels just like the OEM seat. You know, there's an extra layer of cushion on there, so if anything, maybe it's slightly softer, but as far as the temperature and the grip and stuff like that, it felt safe. It felt exactly like the OEM seat. So aesthetically, I really like how it looks, so I'm definitely going to keep it on there. I do wish that I was able to fit the handle on there. So I tried again once I got home after my ride to get that handle, and I just can't lock the seat with the strap on there. So I'm going to keep it strapless right now. I don't mind it. It looks clean. It looks really nice, but I actually use that handle to carry water bottles and stuff when I go to the gym, and I've used it. So now I'm going to have to get used to not having that. That's the only downside to this seat. I'm not affiliated with the Sahara Seats. This is just a seat that I bought with my own money, and I wanted to make a review for those of you that were curious about this company. And that should be it for today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I do have a Zard exhaust that I ordered, and it is on the way. I got the black powder coated Zard exhaust, and I will be installing that. So if you want to see that video, make sure you're subscribed, and make sure to hit the thumbs up and give me a like for this video if you found it helpful. And as usual, I'll remind you guys to get outside, stay hydrated, and keep on moving.